To change the language of Google Photos, this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to change the language of Google Photos. And if you want to change it, then make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if your device is not connected to any of it, then you won't be able to change the language of Google Photos. So after that, you just need to open Google Photos on your device and make sure that you are already logged into your Google Photos account. So after that, you just need to tap on the profile icon at the very top right. So click on it, and from here you just need to click on the option of photo settings. So after clicking on the option of photo settings, here you'll see the option of backup, notification, preference, sharing, app and devices. So click on the option of preference. So if you find the option of language on it, then you may simply tap on it and change from here. So if you don't find it, you just need to go to settings on your device. So simply open settings and search for language and input, or also you may search for the option of system, or you may simply search it by clicking on the option of search box. So simply search the language. So click on the option of language and types, and after that you just need to tap on the option of language and types, and here you just need to tap the option of manage input language, and from here you will be able to select all of the language which you prefer, and from there you will be able to change the language on Google Photos too. So that's it. That's how you can change the language on Google Photos. This is the video for you. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.